दोस्तों, आप सबका PYQ नेक्सस में स्वागत है। मैं आदित्य वर्मा आज आपके लिए सीटेट 15 दिसंबर 2024 CDP के प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चंस लेके आया हूँ पेपर सेकंड के। चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। मैं आपको इसमें करेक्ट आंसर बताता चलूँगा। क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट, academic performance and intellectual abilities gradually improve in children who live deprived setting and enter enriched settings. The above argument points primarily towards which of the following debates of development? Answer is second, entity versus incremental. Next question, read the following statement. Assertion: when we look at the childhood as a single category, we lose out on the social and cultural differences between children with regards to gender, ethnicity, and social classes. Reason: childhood is a social construction. Answer is first. Both assertion and reason are true, and reason is the correct explanation of assertion. Next question. Which of the following factor is not proposed by Jean Piaget as affecting change in cognition? Answer is third, cultural tools. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन। दोस्तों, ये वाला क्वेश्चन ऑफिशियल आंसर की में Z दिया हुआ है, दैट मीन्स ये बोनस क्वेश्चन है। इस क्वेश्चन में कोई गलती है, इसलिए इसके सारे ऑप्शन सही दिए हुए हैं, तो इस क्वेश्चन को छोड़ देते हैं। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन पे चलते हैं। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, अकॉर्डिंग टू जीन पियाजे, व्हेन चिल्ड्रन कैन नॉट हैंडल न्यू एक्सपीरियंस विद इन देयर एग्जिस्टिंग cognitive structure, they experience dash and restore to dash. Answer is first, disequilibrium and adaptation. Next question, while Piaget views children as dash, Vygotsky view children as dash. Answer is second. While Piaget views children as active in manipulating ideas, Vygotsky views children as active in social context. Next, what are the basis for determining the stage of moral development in Lawrence Kohlberg theory? Answer is fourth, B and C. That means answer given by the individual for against stealing. C, answer underlying the individual's response. Next question. According to Lev Vygotsky, the essence of cognitive development is. Answer is first, mastering the use of physiological tool. Next question. According to Lev Vygotsky, dash plays an essential role in helping learner progress through the zone of paroxysmal development. Answer is second, more knowledgeable other. Next question. Howard Gardner purports that intelligence first can be differentiated into multiple kinds. Next question. What is progressive education? Answer is second, an approach to education that emphasizes individualized learning and student-centered classroom. Next question. Read the following statement. Assertion. Girls in middle school might often be silent and non-participative in classroom discussion. Reason. Given their genetic makeup, are not competent to comprehend and cope with the challenging curriculum in the middle school. Answer is fourth. Both assertion and reason are false. Next, the nature of assessment should be dash and assessment take should be dash. Answer is first, dynamic and authentic. Next, read the following statement. Assertion. It is advisable not to rely on the standardized test while conducting assessment for learning. Reason. In criteria, reference testing scores are compared to set performance standard. Answer is second. Both assertion and reason are true, but reason is not correct explanation of assertion. Next, which of the following is an example of a question that promotes analytical skills in student? Answer is third. How have mammals adapt to their environments? Next, read the following statements. Assertion. An inclusive classroom does not offer differentiated instruction. Reason. Inclusion is a policy that stresses equally opportunities by providing same learning goals, strategies, and assessment method. Answer is fourth. Both assertion and reason are false. Next question. Use of pupil first language, such as using the description students with a learning disability instead of learning disabled students. Answer is second. Is in consonance with the human rights approach to inclusion. Next question. Example of assistive technology device to cater to need of children with visual difficulties includes. Answer is first. Only A, B, C are correct option. That means alternative computer input device, braille embroider and displays. C. Speech recognition software, speech to text. Next, to support inclusion of student with autism, it is advisable to. Answer fourth. Use concrete, literal and consistent language. Next, in order to address the needs of talented and creative children in the classroom, it is important to. Answer is first. Keep them engaged and interested in the learning process. Next question. teacher should deal with failure of a student in classroom? Answer is first, by critically examining their own pedagogical strategies. Next, what is the role of prior knowledge in constructivist learning? Answer is second. Prior knowledge is important for building connections and facilitating new learning. Next, how can teachers support students in becoming self-directing learner in constructivist classroom? Answer is third, by encouraging students to take responsibility for their own learning and develop self-regulation skills. Next question. Read the following statement. Assertion. A middle school teacher keeps in regular touch with the parents of students of her class to understand them better. Reason. Communities should direct how and what the children should learn. Answer is third. Assertion is true and reason is false. Next, in order to advance problem solving skills of learner, teachers should encourage dash and should promote dash thinking among learners. Answer is fourth, verbalization and analogical. Next, in discovery learning, students, answer is first, derive information from themselves through exploration and manipulation of ideas. Next, realizing that he is not paying attention in the science class and hence he is unable to understand the concept, Ramesh decides to sit at the front so that he can focus attention better. Which learning strategy is Ramesh using? Answer is second, metacognition. Next question. Which of the following statement about emotion is correct in context of cognition? Answer is third. Emotion modulate various aspects of cognition. However, degree and direction of effect depend on the range of factors. Next question. How can teacher increase intrinsic motivation in students? Answer is fourth, by inculcating joy of learning. Last question. Which of the following statement correctly describe the relationship between intrinsic and extrinsic motivation? Answer is fourth. Intrinsic and extrinsic motivation can interact with each other in complex ways, with one type of motivation affecting the other. तो दोस्तों आज हमने 30 क्वेश्चंस कंप्लीट करे हैं। मैं आगे और वीडियो में और भी प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चंस लेके आऊँगा, न केवल सीटेट के और भी एग्ज़ाम्स के। तो दोस्तों आपको अगर ये वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो आप मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, वीडियो को लाइक और शेयर करें ताकि आगे जितने भी प्रीवियस क्वेश्चंस हैं वो आपके पास पहुंच सकें। थैंक यू दोस्तों।